How to create community group in WhatsApp Business. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a community group in your WhatsApp Business. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is make sure that you have the business version of WhatsApp. It should look like this. And after you've downloaded the app, make sure that you're logged into your account. After you've done that, you can open up your WhatsApp Business, and after you open it up, you can simply head over to the plus icon or to the chat section first. After you're on the chat section, tap on the plus icon or this pen icon on the top right corner. Now, to create a community group in WhatsApp Business, it's really easy. All you have to do is create an actual group. There is no difference whatsoever when you're using an iOS device. So tap on the pen icon and then tap on new group. Now add the people that you want in the group, and after you add them, tap on next. Now you can add the group name if you want to. Make sure it's relevant to the community. And after you add a group name, what you can do is you can simply tap on create, and you have just created a group, and it's that simple. That is how you can create a community group in WhatsApp, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.